chur. Chur words are tricky, but they all end with the chur sound, but are spelled chur. Nature, nature. Lecture, lecture. Moisture, moisture. Picture, picture. Capture, capture. Culture, culture. Feature, feature. Mixture, mixture. Puncture, puncture. Denture, denture. Texture, texture. Thank you.